Kraft Fluid Systems is an employee-owned distributor and systems integrator of mobile hydraulic, electric drive, and electronic control components. We've worked with Danfoss for nearly 40 years, and our authorized PVG Build Center was the first in the United States.
For the mobile markets that we serve, no one has a more comprehensive product line than Danfoss. They're a technology leader in mobile hydraulics, electronic controls, and machine electrification products and solutions.
Since becoming the first authorized PVG Build Center in the United States 3 decades ago, we've developed thousands of different valve assembly configurations for our customers. Danfoss PVG valves are a stackable, load-sensing proportional control valve. They're specifically designed to provide precise control for mobile hydraulic circuits and can be configured in millions of different configurations. They can be operated manually, hydraulically, or electrically. When operated electrically, Danfoss offers on-off, proportional, and CAN-bus electrical controls to ensure smooth machine control. Kraft maintains a large amount of PVG inventory that allows us to build, test, and ship valves quickly, in some cases within 24 hours. Of course, with growing demand, we needed to improve our testing capabilities. We've just recently put the finishing touches on our brand new state-of-the-art PVG Test Bench. This new investment allows us to test the complete range of PVG products to factory specifications. One of the things that you'll notice about our new PVG test stand is the absence of traditional gauges, switches, and knobs. That's because we've utilized Danfoss +1 technology to move all of these items into a clean and simple display. Our programming team has developed a system that allows us to control and view all of the test parameters right here. The Danfoss PVG Build program is a very controlled process that allows us to configure valve assemblies easily. It ensures proper documentation of every unit and any revisions to maintain integrity, consistency, and accuracy. We are also proud to announce that our entire PVG process is now paperless. Not a single sheet of paper is generated during the entire process. Every PVG valve that we sell is configured, built, and tested right here in our facility in Strongsville, Ohio.
Every Kraft employee who works with Danfoss has had comprehensive factory training and certification. That way we can be confident that we can provide world-class support for our products.
If you're looking to add high quality and accurate proportional controls to your machine design, please contact us at 1-800-257-1155 or drop us a line at technicalsales@kraftfluid.com.